Let's make custard. Easy peasy. Now put few teaspoons of dry custard into a bowl. Then you're going to add some water. Here we're going to eyeball. Common sense will be just the two we're going to use. Then you stir, 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 stir. Stir completely. Make sure the dry custard is completely dissolved with the water you put in. Now you're going to gauge how you want the consistency to be. Now bring a water to a rolling boil. Now while you're stirring and doing all that, your water is boiling. Now that boiling water, take it and pour inside the mixture, inside the custard mixture in your bowl. Now keep pouring until you will notice a darker yellow color of your custard. Then you stop. Then at this point, now use your elbow grease, your elbow power, and stir. Keep stirring, and while we're stirring, the remaining part that was not cooked, the heat of the custard is going to cook the remaining mixture in the custard. So when you're happy with the stirring and everything is in one consistency, then you can add your sweeteners. You can add your milk, add your sugar if you're a sugar lover. If you want to add your honey, whatever that is your sweetener, you can add here, stir, and then enjoy your custard. If you enjoy this little tutorial, click that plus sign and follow me for more videos. And also subscribe to my YouTube channel, Ngozi Aditi Vlogs. Bye.